Hi everyone, so I'm Tammy Shong, pronouns she, hers, the Executive Director for HAWA. And I just want to say a huge thank you to you all. Without your support, without your partnership, without you helping to support our work, I know for a fact that we would not be able to get some of the important work that we need to get done here at HAWA for our community. And so thank you for loving community, thank you for loving us. And just thank you for you and all of the contribution that you've been able to give to support us in our work. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for everything.
Hey Melina.
Hi.
Do you have anything to say to those who support HAWA?
I would say thank you so much for helping us in our work. As you know, our most vulnerable survivors are our women, girls, and QT folks. So it is great that we have the capacity to help them out in whatever way that we can. And also to our volunteers who help HAWA create and set up our events that help everybody feel welcome to have a good time.
Awesome, thanks.
Yay!
I go by all pronouns. I'm the community organizer at HAWA. So I work a lot with seeing volunteers, talking to people, and we were having this dinner because we just wanted to show you guys how much we appreciate all you guys. Like we have a decent sized team, but I feel like with all the events that I've seen and all the volunteers that we have that come in too, it's like I get to know all of you guys personally, as well as like see what you guys' passions are, and especially seeing you guys like help out with all the events that we do. It's like, oh, not only are we passionate about it, like you guys are passionate about it too. And I think that's really cool too, because we also get like your own feedback from the community, and then it goes back into the rest of the community. So yeah, I just wanted to say once again, thank you guys so much for helping us and just volunteering and being here.
Hey Macy.
Hi.
What are you grateful for at HAWA?
At HAWA, I am super grateful for our volunteers, our partners, our donors, and especially our team for doing awesome work. And lastly, just for everyone who shares the same vision, the same heart and compassion in helping the communities. So yeah.
Awesome, thanks.
Thank you.
Hi guys, it's Shiana. I'm a Southeast Asian advocate, pronouns she, her, hers. I wanted to thank you guys for all your support and what you guys do for HAWA.
Dina, do you have anything to say to those who support HAWA and our work?
Yeah. Thank you everyone for supporting HAWA's work and mission and believing in us. And thank you for, spending your time out of your day, precious time to be at HAWA's events or supporting us in other ways. And yeah, really just a mountain of gratitude for, everything that you have done for HAWA as well.
Okay, thanks Vina.
Yeah.
I am super thankful for our volunteers for their willingness to give their time, energy, and their talents in supporting our organization, which allows us to fulfill our mission and support the Southeast Asian and Hmong community here in Milwaukee.
Our staff is such a small team. I feel like volunteers are always so helpful and like helping us with our big events like our annual AAPI ball and our big back to school event, even if it's just something as simple as helping with registration or just helping with traffic flow. I'm always so thankful
for showering HAWA with so much love and support. We know you all have such busy, crazy schedules, yet you still take the time out of your day to support the work that we do, and that does not go unseen. I'm looking forward to many more years of working with you all and supporting our community.
Hey, don't forget about me. I want to thank all the volunteers that have come and showed their support, whether that's by putting up our tents for events or putting up tables. Also want to thank all the suppliers for just showing love to our community and helping out by giving so many great items to our community. And yes, thank you so much for supporting HAWA.